up, girl? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Monet and I make natural hair content. I did the big chop a few years ago and I'm recording my progress as I learn how to do new styles, length checks, you know, the whole nine. It's been a lot of trial and error, but you know, I'm gonna figure it out. And when I do, y'all gonna be the first ones to know. Feel free to check out my other videos, but make sure that you watch this first. Like, don't just leave. Watch this video first and then go watch my other stuff. Like, don't be rude. I know y'all got some manners. In today's video, I'm going to be doing mini twists. I'm starting off on freshly washed and blow dry hair. Now, you don't really have to blow dry your hair to do this style, but personally, my hair is thick as hell, y'all, okay? So it's easier for me to part my hair when it's blow dried. Right here, I'm parting my hair in 3 sections. I'm really taking my time trying to perfect my parts. A lot of people don't really take the time to make sure that the parts are straight in the back because it takes a lot longer, which is true. But I tried not caring before and it did not end well, like y'all. I tried to style my hair one day and it was pulling from so many directions. Like, no ma'am, we're not doing that. Not today. I'm only using 2 products on my hair. I'm using the African Pride Moisture Miracle Curl Milk and Detangling and the African Pride Moisture Miracle Leave-In Cream. Now I'm just sectioning off my hair, making sure the parts are how I want them. Wish you would just focus on me. Focus on me. I start all of my twists off as a braid so that it doesn't unravel at the root. It's not really a set amount of times that you gotta braid down. Like, really just braid until your heart says stops, to be honest. And then you twist, and you curl at the end. Just like that. Like, twist and curl, baby. Twist and curl. So I'm gonna do it again for y'all so y'all can see. So you braid at the root, just like that. There you go, there you go. You braid, you twist it down, and then you curl. Like, y'all, my curl really looks so good right here, and I was trying to get my camera to focus, and it would just not focus. Like, don't be a hater, baby. What's going on? Where'd you go? Girl, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on an island. Yeah. It's about time I'm waking up. Found you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I didn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. Oh, just to know you want you. So I'll come close, I want you. Can I tell you something for what it's worth? If you had it in place on nothing, take you there, I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. If you had it in place on nothing, take you there, I'll take you there. Take you there, won't you? Fill me up till my cup's overflowing. I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you. It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an visions of replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Make a wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you.
love. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views, living every day. All I wanna hear is an every since how we play. Sit right next to you. Not trying not to slow. How I feel about you. Wish away. We live when we wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, it's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into mine.
So this is how my hair turned out. What she's giving, I think it's cute, but baby, that shrinkage is crazy. Thank you to everybody who stayed all the way to the end. I really appreciate you, like, honestly. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys at my next video. Bye.
To show how I feel about you.